Dynaflows. Those cats tear it up. And we also appreciate you being here because you are helping thousands upon thousands upon thousands of children. You're bringing them joy this time of year, and I just think that is so beautiful. Thank you so much. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I know that most of us were raised to behave with a certain level of decorum, if you will, when it comes to attending a musical concert. But I do hear a little bit of giggling. And I'm glad to hear some giggling, friends. Because if the spirit of rock and roll grabs a hold of you, and you want to scream a little bit, let's hear you scream. Let's hear you really scream. Maybe you want to clap your hands up, or sing along, or get up and dance, or even better, things at the same time. Well, friends, we hope you will, because that's what you do in a rock and roll show. And this is a rock and roll show. We're going to go back to 1956 when everything started for the King at RCA Records. And this was his first #1 record. It's called Heartbreak Hotel. Well, since my baby left me, well, I find a new place to dwell. Well, it's down at the end of the lonely street at Heartbreak Hotel. Oh, we're so lonely, baby. Oh, we're so lonely. Well, I'm so lonely I could die. Well, it's always crying. We'll stick and find some room. All broken-hearted lovers to cry away the gloom. They'll be so lonely, baby. They'll be so lonely. They'll be so lonely they can die. Now the night just keep long. The desk clerk's dressing black. Well, they've been so long on the street they'll never look back. They'll be so lonely, baby. Oh, they'll be so lonely. They'll be so lonely they could die.